Hey, hey, Deuce ENT. We're getting deep over here. Sitting back chilling on today. It's Tuesday, but it feel like a Friday. Gone off 2 but hours before the sun rose. And you know I had that popper, so you know I'm swole. They say I'm getting fat, yeah, I'm eating great. Feeling like Kellogg with all these frosted flakes. Ain't got time to fuck with you scandos. I'm talking about you niggas and you hoes. Chilling with my man and my kids like I'm supposed. These niggas hating, but I'm on my 10 toes. They say only the strong survive. I think I'm a beast to survive in the dirty east. Seen a lot of people deceased since 15. When this shit gon' change, everything gets hated out of color green. But I still love it, it's over everything. But you gotta put God first. Chasing the money will get you in a hearse. I'm trying to go to truth. I'm trying to go to church, cause the truth start to hurt. Doing dirt when the night come up. Damn, and I should've prayed that much. Seeing how you gone in a second, so you better repent or you will steady be guessing. Not trying to dial meanings to society. Something like old dog. But my favorite nigga was Kane. But damn, I don't think I wanna go the same. Hey, Deuce ENT. This a couple balls. HB Money Gang, hear me? And I'm deep over here. Free boost.